Good afternoon and welcome to the Quip Labs Demo Day presentation on electrostatic disinfection. First of all, we'd like to thank AALAS for putting this together and all the other participants for the great presentations we've seen so far. Today, I'll be going over what electrostatic disinfection is, the model that we recommend, and a brief explanation on how to use the Sterymax electrostatic sprayer to disinfect the surfaces of your lab. So let's jump right in. First of all, what is an electrostatic sprayer and how does it work? Electrostatic sprayers are chemical sprayers that can release a fine mist of disinfectant from the sprayer nozzle. At Quip Labs, we recommend using the Winter Sterymax sprayer, a handheld electrostatic sprayer that is extremely simple to use, doesn't require a heavy backpack-style tank, and has excellent coverage. Unlike other sprayers, an electrostatic sprayer positively charges the solution being sprayed. The resulting charged droplets repel one another and actively seek out environmental surfaces. The charged droplets evenly spread out and travel along the surfaces to provide more even coverage. The Sterymax sprayer goes even further by placing a positive charge on the liquid twice, once before entering the nozzle and again at the nozzle, resulting in the maximum volume of liquid being charged and sprayed at surfaces, allowing for complete 360-degree wraparound coverage. Recently, the EPA released an evaluation and analysis of electrostatic disinfection where they state electrostatic spray technology is more efficient, reduces waste, and delivers a more uniform distribution of liquids over uneven surfaces. The study in that evaluation compared the performance of an electrostatic sprayer with a traditional electric backpack sprayer by evaluating the efficacy of each sprayer in removing or inactivating a surrogate for Bacillus anthracis from different types of PPE materials. Overall, both sprayers achieved a surface log reduction of greater than or equal to 6, with no statistically significant difference between them. However, for 3 of the 7 test materials, no surface CFUs were detected when the electrostatic sprayer was used. In contrast, there were CFUs detected on surfaces for all the traditional backpack sprayer tests. Using the sprayer is extremely simple. Just unlock and remove the tank, fill it with your disinfectant solution, then replace the tank, lock in place, and set to electrostatic and you're ready to spray. But for more information on using the particular sprayers we recommend, we'll hand this off to the electrostatic experts at Winter to demonstrate.
Thank you for choosing the Winter STX 360 ES. Sterymax Professional Cordless Electrostatic Sprayer System. I'm going to open the unit with you and show you how it works. First, let me show you what's inside. Just flip the latches of the case to open it. The Sterymax system comes with a user manual, a spare water hose, a lithium-ion battery, a charger, a nozzle wrench to change the nozzle sizes, a power cord, and a lid for the water tank and the sprayer. All Sterymax sprayers come with a single 16.8 volt lithium-ion battery. The runtime of the battery is 4 hours, and the charge time is 90 minutes. To charge your battery, simply snap it into the included charger. You'll notice the charger has 2 sets of lights on it. The lights on the left side indicate the level of charge inside the battery, while the lights on the right side indicate the amount of time remaining before the battery is fully charged. When the battery is finished charging, just snap it into place on the sprayer. The Sterymax sprayer water tank can hold 32 ounces or 1 quart of liquid. To remove the tank, simply rotate the tank lock dial to unlock. Then pull the ring back to release the locking mechanism. Now you'll be able to pull the tank from the sprayer. To reattach the water tank, align the vertical rails of the sprayer with the groove along the top of the tank, then firmly press the tank into the sprayer. Listen for the locking mechanism to click, indicating the tank is in place. Then rotate the tank lock dial to lock it back in place. Switch on the electrostatic switch at the top and you are ready to spray. Let me talk about a very important feature of the Winter Sterymax electrostatic sprayer, which is the exclusive patented double-charged electrostatic technology. In the sprayer, the liquid is positively charged inside the tank and then charged again as it's being sprayed out. Why is the double-charged technology so significant? If only we charge at the nozzle like other sprayers, the flow rate is so fast that there's no way to get a 100% charge. Usually the charge rate is about 80%. The double charge technology positively charges the liquid from the water tank, and as it's being sprayed out, gives the maximum electrostatic charge, which leads to complete superior chemical coverage. At the smallest 40 micron size, the Winter Sterymax electrostatic sprayer is a sprayer but not a fogger. If you spray under 40 microns, the mist can get into your lungs, so special PPE is a must. Since this is a sprayer, basic PPE for daily use is sufficient. The easiest way to feel the electrostatic is to turn off the electrostatic switch. Hold the sprayer and put out the other hand straight out parallel like this and spray. You shouldn't feel the other side of your hand being wet. Now turn on the electrostatic switch. You should be able to feel the moisture on the front and back of your hand. Here is another demonstration of the electrostatic function. We're going to spray this vent pipe with the electrostatic function off. After being sprayed, the front has a nice coverage, but the inside and the bottom are completely dry. Now turn on the electrostatic function and spray. You can see a nice even coating at the front and top. Some of the droplets have found their way to the bottom and the inside. You can see the full wrapping effect on the inside of the vent pipe. When we positively charge the liquid, it is naturally attracted to the negatively charged or neutral objects around us. To achieve the maximum wraparound effect, you want to stand back 2 to 3 feet from the object that you want to spray. Another innovative feature that our Winter Sterymax sprayer includes is the 3-way adjustable nozzle. The nozzle has settings for 40, 80, and 110 microns. To determine the nozzle size you want to set the sprayer to, you need to find out the required dwell time of the chemical. 40 microns gives you a 5 minutes dwell time, 80 microns gives you a 10 minutes dwell time, and 110 microns gives you about 15 minutes dwell time. To change the nozzle, insert the nozzle wrench and turn clockwise. Make sure you hear a click, then take the wrench out. Keep turning clockwise until the desired nozzle size is set. If you need to take out the nozzle, insert the nozzle wrench and turn counterclockwise and pull to remove. To put the nozzle back, insert the nozzle using the wrench and press and turn counterclockwise until you hear a click. Also make sure the nozzle is flush to the sprayer. Once you finish using the sprayer, make sure you're spraying water or a chemical neutralizer through the sprayer to clean out the tank and the hoses. Flush the system for about a minute at the end of every day. If you have leftover solution, it can be stored. Take the water tank out and use the cap that came with the sprayer to store it according to the solution or chemical guidelines. Never transport or store the sprayer inside the case with the liquid inside. From all of us at Winter, thank you for watching this video and stay safe.
So where do we recommend implementing electrostatic disinfection in your facility? Receiving area or dock. Here's a great place to spray anything coming into your facility. Supplies like feed, bedding, animal crates, PPE, and enrichment can all carry bacteria into your facility, and electrostatic disinfection is a great way to stop those microorganisms at the source. Procedure and common areas. Electrostatic disinfection is a great alternative in areas that are difficult to schedule fogging in, such as procedure rooms and common high-traffic areas. Animal holding areas. You can also use an electrostatic sprayer to spray down caging to prevent aerosolization prior to transportation to cage wash areas. Locker rooms, changing areas, and break rooms. Locker rooms, changing areas, and break rooms are 3 other areas that don't usually get fogged regularly. Electrostatic disinfection in these areas can help ensure that you're taking the necessary precautions to reduce cross-contamination and prevent the spread of bacteria and viruses. While this video is a great start, if you're interested in implementing electrostatic spraying in your facility, we also offer complimentary support for your training program. Well, that's it from us. Thanks for checking out our AALAS Demo Day presentation on using the Winter Sterymax electrostatic sprayer. You can find more information on the sprayer or set up a call with one of our regional biosafety account managers at quiplabs.com. Do you have questions that this presentation didn't answer? Stephanie Cormier can answer those now or by email at stephanie@quiplabs.com. You can also always call us at 1-800-424-2436 or stop by quiplabs.com and fill out a contact form. Thanks again, and remember, Quiplabs makes it safe, simply and sensibly.